Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair with 2 Amazon wigs that I got from Inch Styles. This is the 14-inch black bob wig with bangs, comes with big bouncy curls, and can be worn daily. This wig comes with an adjustable strap and 2 combs in the front. So here's the wig straight out of the package, and I'm not sure about these bangs, but let's see what we can do. So of course I'm going in and stretching and fluffing the curls a bit just to make it look more natural. So I decided to pull the bang over to the side because it just looked a lot better to me that way. So here is the final look for this wig. I will leave all of the information in the description box in case you want to slay this wig also. So moving on to wig number 2. That's right, wig number 2, giving you 2 wig looks today. The second wig is the 26-inch black synthetic middle part wig with curly beach waves, and this one can also be worn daily. This wig comes with a small lace front piece in the front that you have to cut off, comes with 2 combs in the front, and also an adjustable strap. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, and that's really all you have to do with this unit. So I did go through and detangle a little bit, and there was a minimal shedding with this unit, which is expected with these long synthetic wigs, but the shedding was not bad at all. So here's my final look for wig number 2. Definitely filling both of these units. Again, I will leave the information in the description box so you can purchase these units. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.